Good morning, everyone. Do you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Good morning, everyone. My name is Assistant Professor Achara Khamaksorn from Chiang Mai University. It is great to present my research title on developing a knowledge transfer framework for real estate agents, implication for market standard and policies. This presentation divided into 8 different sections from abstract, introduction, and the objective of the research, followed by the research methodology, and then present the result and key findings to our proposed framework and conclusion. Okay, let's begin with the background of this study and the abstract. In recent years, Chinese investors, supported by the One Belt, One Road initiative, have shown increasingly interest in Thailand real estate market. Real estate agents have become critical interdisciplinaries, helping bridge the knowledge gap between foreign buyers and local sellers. In Chiang Mai, this role is especially prominent. Research highlight how knowledge sharing among agents can lead to better transaction outcome and enhance market efficiencies. So this study built a framework that captured these dynamics and offer a roadmap for future development. This study divided into 3 different objectives. The first one to analyze knowledge sharing pattern using social network analysis to quantitatively examine knowledge transfer dynamics among real estate agents in Chiang Mai. And then second, to explore how collaborative knowledge is disseminated in order to analyze in mechanism driving collaborative knowledge dissemination. And the last one, to enrich finding using in-depth interview together with experts in the network on the SEGI models, a widely used model in knowledge management. In terms of literature reviews, these research review 2 key factors. The first one on knowledge transfer theory, and the second one on social network analysis. On on knowledge transfer theories, which focuses on how organizations share and apply knowledge to improve decision making for their projects, and social network analysis, which help our research understand how relationship shape information flows, especially in information dynamics networks like real estate markets, especially in Chiang Mai. As you can see from the screen, I'm going to present about the research methodology in this research. This research design a mixed method approach in order to develop knowledge transfer framework. The first one, this research survey distribute to real estate agents in Chiang Mai and independent people as well as agency basis. The data was analyzed using SNA tools with UCNet and NetDraw package in order to identify centrality and the people who gonna be the key expert in the projects. And then we are going to make an in-depth interview with the key expert in the network by using the SEGI models to explore their mechanism and context, as well as the meaning on how to exchange knowledge between the experts in this network. Okay, so as you can see from this slide shows research methodology. In the questionnaire of this research divided into 3 different sections. The first one the questionnaire will ask the participant about their demographic information, followed by social network analysis in order to ask the participant recruit uh, their key actors in their projects, and followed by open-end question to interview the key expert from the networks. As you can see from the slide, it showed that participants were mostly real estate agents with 76%, with smaller proportion to team managers, leaders, and founders. Knowledge share mostly, as you can see from the screen, we call this one sociogram. Figure 2 show knowledge transfer and decentrality of real estate agent in Chiang Mai. And next one, as you can see from this one, it shows that ATM 2 holding a position as team manager in this network, and this actor has high in degree and high out degree. So it means that this person present as a knowledge broker in this network in real estate agent in Chiang Mai. Okay, in terms of cluster analysis, if you're using our social network analysis and then using it, you can also identify cluster or subgroup in the network, so you can see how exchange knowledge between the actor in your project and your network. Okay, as you can see from these tables, as you can see from this table, it shows that okay, there are so many knowledge that most of the participants usually share within their networks. Knowledge share works mostly real estate market into customer preference and market agencies. Transfer methods, it showed that face-to-face was most common, followed by social network and social media in order to exchange knowledge between the experts. And in terms of knowledge transfer mechanism to promote knowledge transfer, it means that work experience is the most important factor in order to promote knowledge transfer among actors in real estate agents. And in terms of the barrier of the network, this figure present the main factor that present the barrier of the knowledge transfer between the actor in real estate agents. As you can see from the figure, it shows that lack of trust, okay, unclear sharing strategy and weak communication channels show the most important factors in knowledge transfer for real estate agents. As you can see from this one, this figure show knowledge transfer conceptual framework based on the key type of knowledge together with influencing factor that influence knowledge transfer processes in real estate market in Chiang Mai. This framework provides both a conceptual map and a practical tool to improve industry knowledge flow in real estate business, especially in Chiang Mai. Okay, and then let me summarize the contribution of this research. In summary, this study contribute information areas. The first one, defining key knowledge management concept relevant to the real estate industry. Second one, identifying enabler and barrier to knowledge transfer. And third one, okay, building a validated framework using both data and expert insight. And the last one, offering recommendation for policy, training, and further research. It is uh, it is our hope that this model can improve professional collaboration, less industry standard, and support sustainable real estate development in the emerging market in the future. Thank you so much for your participation. Thank you so much.